Welcome to Six Sigma Online Certifications. We are on the topic Improve Phase, Improvement Techniques Part 1. In this video, we are going to discuss about how do we manage different types of improvements. Basically, we categorize improvements into two types, Kaizen and Kaizen Blitz. Kaizen is a continuous improvement activity by employees to make changes for improvements on a continuous basis. Whereas Kaizen Blitz, Kaizen event or Kaikaku is a cross-functional team assembling for 3-4 days for immediate breakthrough effort for improvements. Both needs to be managed appropriately. How do we manage them? It is very important that we create a mechanism by which people are able to propose a improvement before they actually implement it, with minimum information like what changes they would like to do, what is the metric which will improve, what is the investment needed. Based on the proposal, there should be a team which should review the claims and see if these kind of changes will bring improvements or not. And then there should be approval process to ensure that there is no adverse impact and resources are given and approved for implementation if there is no adverse impact. Post approval, the team is allowed to implement based on the resources given, and a follow-up action is done so that results are achieved. The team should be given reward and recognition. It has dual purpose. One is to reward team so that it is encouraged to repeat such activities, more and more activities in the organization, but it is also a validation that improvement has actually happened or not, and the effectiveness of the improvement is to be evaluated. Finally, there should be a team which should ensure the changes are incorporated into the system, which is related documents, procedures, any relevant trainings to the people, and also the internal audit system. So entire improvement is now becoming the part of the system and therefore is a permanent feature of the organizational knowledge. The Kaizen methodology is also divided into two types. One is called PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act. This is also called a Shewhart cycle, and it is the first methodology which is dated 1940s, which was developed by Shewhart, which was further developed by Deming as PDSA, which is Plan, Do, Study, Act, and it is called as Deming cycle. We'll try to distinguish between what differences the Deming tried to brought from PDCA to PDSA. The PDCA plan means determining the goals and the targets that we intend, determining methods for reaching those goals, whereas in PDSA plan we set objectives and we question to understand and predict the effect of solution, and also plan who is going to do, what is going to happen, where we are going to do, when is going to happen what. So it is a little more detailed planning. The do of PDCA includes engage and educate people and training them for making changes happen and implement what is planned. Whereas in PDSA, do means whatever plan try to carry out, document problem and unexpected observations, and a unique characteristic which is added by Deming is begin data analysis. The check of Shewhart cycle includes check the effectiveness of the implementation, whereas the study includes complete data analysis, compare data with the predictions and summarize learning. So basically intense data analysis is proposed by the Deming. A is act, which means take appropriate actions based on the implementation, whereas act of Deming means what changes are needed and then plan for the new cycle. This is called PDSA. So these are the key differences between what Shewhart proposed and what Deming proposed. Thank you very much for testing your knowledge on this video, or for Six Sigma certifications visit leandigit.com. For more knowledge on this topic, please subscribe our channel.